Meghalaya's Art and Culture Minister A.L. Hek had formally inaugurated the Archgate to the State Central Library here in Shillong. While speaking as chief guest on the occasion, he lauded the efforts of the state's renowned artist Raphael Wadri, who had conceptualized its design, and of all those involved in its construction. He also dedicated the iconic Archgate to the freedom fighters who had carved the state into what it is today.
Today is really looking very iconic. We'd like to thank the efforts made by all the staff of the Art and Culture Department, right from the PWD, also the Raphael Wadri, who is the main man behind to conceptualize this project to make it a reality today. Thank you very much to each one of you who has put your mind and hearts together to see our dreams is turned into reality. Today, it's really, this Archgate, it really symbolizes to the traditions and the culture of our tribes, of our tribal people. Today, since we are also celebrating the 49 year of the statehood, I really attribute this Archgate to those who are fought for our statehood. Those who are really fought for our statehood are freedom fighters who are really fought to give us our beautiful states, Meghalaya. We really tribute this Archgates to them. And also we dedicated the Archgates to these people who have fought and give us this beautiful state of Meghalaya.
Also speaking on the occasion, the Commissioner and Secretary Art and Culture Government of Meghalaya, Frederick Roy Kharkongor, said that the construction of the Archgate at the entry to the State Central Library is symbolic of the art and culture that is attributed to the state.